and I ended up deciding to just go for it and get the 5-inch Baja Grocery Getter kit with the Fox shocks and the progressive leaf springs in the rear. I cannot explain how much better the van is now. It drives like an entirely new vehicle.
All right, today's the day when we're taking the Weldtec Designs Baja Grocery Getter kit out of the garage, putting it on the van.
Like an injured bird, needing a nest, a place to rest.
All in all, I am very pleased with the lift. It is super crazy, it's super fun. We've taken it out on multiple camping trips already. Everywhere I go, people stop me and go, what in the heck is up with this thing? I'm driving down the road and you'll see dudes like rubbernecking trying to check it out. It's crazy. I park it at work and people are just blown away with it.
Are you kidding me? In that van? On an ATV trail? So let me tell you, it was so good to put those KO2 tires that are on my van and that Weldtec lift kit to the test. First time ever I've had it out here and done something like that. Treated this thing like a go-kart with a Weldtec Designs Baja Grocery Getter lift kit.